Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by setting clear goals. Choose one side hustle, define 0 monthly target, and allocate 10 hours per week. Identify skills you can monetize quickly and match them to realistic demand. List 3 service or product ideas and pick the fastest to launch. Set a 3-month trial and a 0 emergency buffer before quitting your full-time job. Create a simple schedule that protects core work hours, nights, and weekends. Track time and money weekly. Use a spreadsheet or app to record revenue, expenses, and hours. Validate with a 1-week minimum viable offer and collect customer feedback before expanding. Create a simple landing page or social post that explains the offer, price, and one clear call to action. Run it for 7 days to measure interest. Price for profit. Calculate costs, pay yourself 5 hourly, and set a 25% profit margin goal. Automate intake and payments with payment link, calendar app, and basic contract or form 1099 workflow to minimize admin time and professionalize delivery. Reinvest 30% of profits into marketing, tools, or outsourcing for faster growth. Prioritize one hire or tool every 3 months. Set boundary rules. No hustle work during core job hours and limit hustle to 10 hours per week to prevent burnout and protect your full-time role. Systematize delivery with templates, SOP, and a simple client onboarding checklist. Plan taxes and record keeping monthly. Save 25% of net income for quarterly taxes or liabilities. And consult a tax advisor if you cross 5,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.